Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix CMS updated. Create a collection, define fields with clear names, and configure permissions so collaborators can add and edit items. Use datasets to connect collections to page elements and bind fields to text, images, and repeaters. Preview and test data, then publish when everything displays correctly. This workflow saves time and reduces errors. Organize each collection thoughtfully so it supports the pages you want to build and scales easily with your site. Add meaningful field types, like text, rich text, and media, then set defaults and validation rules to prevent mistakes. Group related content with reference fields to reuse data across pages. Regularly review fields and remove unused ones to keep the CMS tidy and fast. Small habits save big time later. Dynamic pages let you build templates that auto-populate from collections, saving manual page creation. Bind a dataset to your template and map fields to headings, images, and repeaters for lists. Configure dataset permissions and query filters to show only published or tagged items. Test paging, sorting, and search so visitors find content easily. When templates work, adding new entries instantly updates your live site without extra design steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.